How to join a private FPL league. Hey everyone, and let's get started. In order to join a private FPL league, first of all, download the application and log in. The process is same for the website version as well. You just have to go to the website and then log in. After that, go to the fantasy section and scroll down a bit. You will see a section called as Leagues and Cup. Below that, you will see a plus icon with Join a League. Here are two kinds of league option. The first one is invitational, which is also called as private. The next one is public. While for the public league, you can directly click on Join a League and you're good to go. But to join a private league, you need the invitational league code. You can get it from the league admin, and once that is done, tap on Join a League and you should be able to join. So that is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And for more such contents, keep watching. Thank you.